and today I'm going to show you how to download apps for free. Paid apps for free and also hacked apps for free. Some of you might use Tweakbox, but no, that is not the best option. The best option is Appvalley. So what you want to do first is go to appvalley.vip. A link will be down below in the description, obviously. Then you want to press install, allow. Then it will say profile downloaded. Review the profile and settings app if you want to install it. Then you want to press close. Go to settings. Scroll up and it should say profile downloaded here. Then you can press install. Then you can enter your passcode. Once you've entered your passcode, you'll get this. You just want to press install, and done. And then if you go down, Appvalley will be installed. You'll log into Appvalley, whatever. It'll be a screen like this, and you can go into games or apps. But I like games because I play games. And then you can do paid and other games, which will basically give you paid games such as if it loads, which it won't, obviously. It'll give you paid games for free. And if you want some tweaked games, which is basically like hacked games, gives you perks. You can download any of these, like Game Studio Tycoon 3, and press get. It'll give you a preview right here. You can scroll down and check the description. Infinite currencies used to gain more. Then you can press get, install. And if you go out of the app, it's installing. There you go. It'll be installing. Wait for that to install and you'll have a free game. Well, that one's a thing game. So I'll link this website in the description. I want you all to go check out my other channel, which will also be in the description. Go check out my other tutorials if you need to have a tutorial. Go check out my other videos. Subscribe if you're new. Go subscribe to my other channel, which I said will be linked in the description down below. Stay safe and see ya.